Okay, we're gonna take a really quick look at this Wavlink dual bay USB-C 3.5-inch SATA HDD enclosure or hard drive enclosure, rapid fire H2R. This has USB-C to PC, USB-C hub. This is 7 plus 15 pin SATA. It has a RAID switch and a reset switch, of course. And let's go do some digging in it. Excellent, says, for photographers and filmmaking. Great. I'm gonna do one of those partially. That's just how it works. See what's inside, what Santa brought us. Oh, I feel aluminum. Nice, I like that. Anytime I see aluminum or metal, my heart beats. Okay, make that bag someone else's problem. And here's the back of the unit. I like that. There's a fan right there. There are lights that indicate things. Not sure. Yep, right there. HDD, RAID 0, RAID 1, large, and just normal HDD. Then you have the reset pin right there, LED indicator, and you have the mode switches there for RAID 1 and RAID 0. And you can tell here by how you can put those both down normal as they are right now, put them both up large for quite a few terabytes, which I don't have. RAID 0, you put the first switch up and leave the second down, and RAID 1, you put the first switch down and second switch up. I like that. Mechanical switches, absolutely, yeah. Type C and PC. This is your port to the PC. This Type C, now you can actually daisy chain these. You can put a few of these through this USB from this to the next one, and you have the 12-volt connector on and off. Physical switch again. I'm a huge fan of physical switches. I don't know why. And this design reminds me of an Apple computer years ago. The power thingies, the G5 or whatever it was called. I like that. I really like that. An aluminum body. And this is going to be our gate that we put the drives in. Has some rubber feet to not wiggle around. And then what else do we have here? USB-C to C, which we're gonna need. We have some screws here for the bottom. Oh, so you can mount it and all that cool stuff. That's actually nice. Okay, a USB-A to Type C. That is really nice to include. And this is the thingy that you can put on the bottom if you want to. I mean, I don't know why you would. That's up to you. I'm gonna put this side, and we have a screwdriver, then another, it looks like a screwdriver, but this is actually to switch the pin heads here to put it in different modes if you want to, as you see, like that. Right now I have it on RAID 0, and now do this, I have it in RAID 1. And if I do this one like this too, that's in large. And if I put them both down like this, it's in normal. That normal just means two separate drives, just like plug and play drive. And we need to open here on the bottom. Oh, by the way, just before I forget, this is the plug for it, or the power. We need to really quick here so we can insert some drives inside, just like that. It's that easy, and that's why you can actually potentially put it like this too if you want. I don't know, I like this case, so I'm not gonna do that abomination. And I have two Seagate drives. One is a Barracuda and the other one's just a regular snapper. I'm just desktop HDD. They're both a terabyte each, and that's what we're going to use today on this video. So we place this one in here real quick, and then place this other one, and it's all good. It's that easy. And here on the sides, that's why you have those million screws here. You can just bolt down the drives if you wish so. I usually do 1 or 2 screws per drive just so they're held in place. You can definitely put 4 and it will definitely be held down like this, so it's not going anywhere. And we're almost good to go at that point. Look at that. Becoming Louis Rossman's here. And you can do the same in the other side if you wish so. That, as always, up to you. I'm gonna put them just because we're on the video, and that's it. Okay, so we are ready to drop them in. This was actually easier than I thought. We put them in just this, and we have the 3 holes for screws right here. I'm actually gonna bolt them all there, not because I need them, but because I need to not lose them. That's my main point here. Oh yeah, look at this thing. There's literally nothing moving on it. I think we're quite good here, and you have two stickers to put them HDD1 and HDD2 if you want to mark them. So we're good to go. Okay, everything we ever wanted is now right here. Let me just plug these two thingies so you can actually see it in real life. It's gonna be our power and the USB-C. We're in. And we have the Type-C PC right here, and that's ready to go. Boom, we have a light turn on right there, and we have another indicator light there telling us HDD, and boom, we are in, and that's all we need right now. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, this will not increase the speed of your disk. If your disk is slow, like these might be, it will be just whatever speeds they are. But if you have faster hard drives, this can handle them up to 10 gigabit per second. That's the whole main goal. This laptop is equipped with Thunderbolt 4, which should be way more than capable of doing this, but the hard drive inside is definitely not capable of taking advantage of those speeds, but I'm just gonna show you anyway, however it is. I mean, it's useless to test the disk speed, but we have to, just because we're here, I guess. Because we know these hard drives are not going to be the fastest thing ever. Quick, okay, this is our hard drive. Should be just a few megabytes. Oh, actually, it's a little bit faster than normal on this hard drive. Usually doesn't go over 90 to 100, but, well, that's a first read. It's actually pretty... Whoa, it's actually faster than I thought. I thought this Barracuda was gone years ago, because that's not a brand new drive. Look at this thing. It's actually reading it fast. That is really good. Okay. I take back that drives cannot be faster, because this one is faster than normally when I connect it to my computer with just a normal one of those docking bays. So there's something in this Wavlink that makes this better. Look at that. And it's even going faster at some time, which usually if you know anything about hard drives, you know every read and write it goes slower. This one, no, it's actually going faster. That's really good. Okay. Well, let me close this one real quick, and let's do a file transfer on it. Five, and then here I might have video. Okay, I have 3 videos. I'm just gonna quickly toss them in this drive and see what happens. Look at that. It's actually at 200 almost. That's really good. That is actually good. Telling you right now, I expected way less, but somehow this device is actually good. I don't know what else to tell you except for it works, and if I wasn't lazy enough, I would have formatted the second drive too, so they will both be working together. Absolutely amazing. And even those old drives that I really expected them to perform really low, they actually perform better. I had to take my own words back, so good job Wavlink on this one. Well, I mean, I work with Wavlink for quite a while now, and I have never been disappointed from their product. And they're not paying me on this video, by the way. They're just so you know. The only exchange we had between me and them here is they said, "Do you want this thing to put in front of a camera or not?" That's all. And I said, "Yeah, sure, man. So why not?" That is it. No script, no directions, nothing.